Hey, wakey wakey. Better eat something. You're lucky, you know. Your everyday corpse robber usually gets a sword in the belly, no questions asked. But me, I've got an eye for that fancy jewellery. And you're lucky I like gold better than blood, Lady de Rune.
Where is my brother?
Shut up! The better you look, the higher the ransom. Might have bruised the goods a bit too much already.
The ransom? Who's paying it?
Oh, you'll see soon enough. You're not in your shadow anymore, so cork it, all right?
Mangy. Who are you? Melly. The other one's Arthur. This is all your fault. Where is my brother? Hey, keep your voice down. Those dogs took my sling. You don't need it. The guard. Arthur will make him move. What? How? A distraction. He's waiting for us to tell him where and what, so keep your eyes open. The cart. That'll do the trick. Get ready. For what? To follow me. So he's your brother.
What's that noise?
Come on.
You got an idea how many deaths were on our side?
Hard to say. Thousands for sure. But the rats make counting difficult.
Hugo is alone with those butchers. They won't hurt him. You don't understand. If he's afraid, you have to be patient.
Where the hell are these bloody rats coming from? Is
We
it
have to clear the way.
something?
No. Rats have decimated Valois villages. Thousands of deaths have been reported from bites.
The barrel with the spears. Well done.
It is a
Get ready to
divine
go.
plague. And this is just the beginning.
There's no room for...
Good job, Arthur. Let's go. Watch out for the bottles.
Probably nothing.
Be careful.
What a pain having to wait between battles. Those two over there with their bows nattering non-stop.
They're training on
Drive me
a dead
bonkers.
body. Yes, that's war for you.
That's how you teach a Valois a lesson.
Is it true?
Stay down. All right.
Yeah, but it was easy. It was assholes charge in without thinking, looking to make Mars of themselves.
Heroes and their armor shining in the sun. Just have to find the weak point and BAM! Easy targets.
Let's go. Be careful.
It was a hell of a fucking victory, I'm telling you. Guyenne belongs to England again, for sure.
Oh yeah. Take a look out there and you'll see that Guyenne belongs to the fucking rats.
All you need is a torch to get rid of him.
There.
Bye-bye,
No.
rats.
We're going to have to go that way.
I saw them. Hundreds of them coming out of the
Look,
devil.
the bot. Yeah, well spotted.
Good night.
Are you making this up?
Dare you? I want
Now, left.
Just be careful. We need you alive.
What sort of prisoner is worth such a high ransom?
Valois children. The son and daughter of the knight Robert de Rune.
Very good.
Knight of a tree, more like. His fighting skills from the time of the war are legendary. He's no longer in the service of King Philip.
It is rather odd to be so interested in the children.
Why don't you go ask the sister some questions? She must be awake.
Oh no, don't worry. It was bound to happen. Let's see. This. Not bad at all. What are you doing? This is not the time. I'm making your rescue profitable. That's what I'm doing. What about this chest? I saw powder. Probably for alchemy. Useless. I can use it. If you want me to open it, just say. Would you, please? There you go. Enjoy. Well done. Come on, I'm coming. Silence. Melly, not that way. There are loads of them.
We're running out of bread and wine. It's the same story.
You're crazy. What? We got through, didn't we? Just.
Hey, kid! Nice little ransom as
My
you
brother.
paid for your
Looks
release.
like it. Quickly.
Coming to get you. Soon you'll be far away from here.
Amicia, where is she?
The bastards. The bastards. Calm
You're gonna
down.
keep her with us, right, guys?
No,
Hey.
no, please don't.
The girl!
Just be
the
thankful
girl!
you're still alive. Not ever. Huh? What do you mean, the girl? Come on, spit it out.
The girl's escaped! Her cage is open, everyone's looking for her!
Shit! Spread out! Watch the doors and stay on your toes. A cage doesn't just open like that. Might be the Valor's doing.
Now's the time.
The tents. Search those tents.
Hugo, I'm here.
Amicia,
Are you alright? Are you hurt?
no, get me out, please.
We have to get that cage down. It's alright, Hugo. Listen, my sling. Did they have it when they locked you up?
Yes, they put it in the trunk, there.
Right.
I want a team of the East Rampart.
Melly, can you look after it?
Don't believe it. We're fucked.
Finally. Now, Hugo, I need to get the cage down.
Amicia, come back.
Calm down, we're fine.
Sorry, I was scared.
I must be able to free Hugo with my sling.
I want a team of the East Ramparts.
This should make things a little easier.
Shit, I don't believe it. We're fucked.
Fortunately, they are busy. Melly, the lock. Easy.
They said someone's going to take me.
It's all right, Hugo. We're going to get out of here.
Search those tents.
Amicia,
Oh,
they said they were going to take me away, and I wouldn't see you again.
well, now you know that's not true. I'm here,
We're staying together, right?
of course. And we're going to go with Melly. She's here to help us.
I want a
She's
team
the
of the
thief.
East Ramparts.
And she's sorry she turned us in earlier. Aren't you, Melly? Yeah, I'm a bad girl. Happy now? Can we go? Take my hand, Hugo. Let's get going.
Yes.
There's a way out at the far end of the camp. If you really know how to use that sling, you'd better go first. Uh-huh.
Leave it. We're fucked. The tents. Search those tents. Soldiers, report. She's just a kid.
Can't see anything.
She must be holed
Move
up in
it.
a corner.
You couldn't just get out like that.
The tents. Search those tents. I want a team of the east ramparts.
No trace of it. Maybe she's still close to the cages.
Nothing to report from my side. Leave it. Fucked. The tents. Search those tents. She's just a kid. She must be holed up in a
Can't see
corner.
anything.
I want a team of the east ramparts.
No trace of it. Maybe she's still close to the cages.
Shit, I don't believe it. We're fucked.
Oh, on earth is all that noise?
The tents. Search those tents. She's just a kid. She must be holed up in a corner.
I can't see anything. Move it.
I want a team
You
of the
just
east
get out like that.
What was that? Hey. Shit.
No one there.
No trace of it. Maybe she's still close to the cages.
Search those tents.
I pay a ransom for the Daron children, and I have to capture them myself. These Plantagenets are useless.
He killed my parents. He's going to slaughter us.
Melly! Run!
Guards ahead! Take them out, Amicia!
Oi!
Be in
It's the girl
position.
and her brother!
What the hell did you do?
Oh!
Nothing! We didn't do anything. They want Hugo. It's time to get out of here. This is our way out. Hurry!
Failure will
Don't slow
not
down,
be
Hugo.
tolerated.
Follow Melly.
Quickly, quickly!
Amicia!
Won't let them get you.
Stop running!
Amicia!
Deliver Hugo to
I'm
us!
coming.
They're coming up!
We don't have much time.
Get them out!
To him. Quick.
Go!
Locked.
We come
Shit.
full.
Let's go.
You hear that? What the hell is it?
Archer to the left. Get
Tell me
down.
the French are counter-attacking.
No, I...
What? What did I
Let's go. The hatch there. That looks like our way out.
There's a chain. Melly.
Come on, come on.
Break down that door! Move!
They've opened the door! They're here!
I'll take care of them.
There's nowhere for you to go out there.
Ah! Shut up! Shut up! Leave us alone! Amicia! Come on!
There! They're there! Get them!
Amicia!
It's Arthur! We have to hurry!
Over here!
Let's go! Let's go!